Alright, what is up, my people? Your boy is back with a part two to what y'all were somewhat just wanted. Let's say that things been rough. Things been I couldn't stop lying anymore. I just had to deliver the second part. But guys, if y'all are excited, just go and hit that like button. Please. Please, my device is almost going to die, so let's 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 just go. Okay, hold up. Y'all gotta look like, my god, do not tell me. Y'all is a damn yandere high school characters. What's their name? I forgot their name, but literally. I know you look like the yandere high school characters. Dang, what is dance moves are y'all doing? And who is this blue boy on my screen? Literally. I need to know who this blue boy is. Whoever he is, he trash. He ain't gonna take my flashlight batteries. But thank God this show got discontinued. Bro, really? Y'all are trash at dancing. For real. For real. Some of these famous singing YouTubers could do better than y'all. Not only at singing, but dancing too. David, if you don't shut you shut up. But anyway. Bruh, really? My god. I gotta roast y'all. Boy, don't they look like the mole from Happy Tree Friends? Nuh-uh, nuh-uh. I'm a little wrong. They look like Stella. Oh, pink ass. I know that's the big Pinkie Pie clothes. Literally. What is you doing, my boy? You were that stupid. No wonder why you look like Blue Boy. Oh my god. And what is that? Boy, is that my lemonade? Give it back. Bro, who is this dude? I did not know that Freddy was white. Someone could get this fake Fazbear. Literally. Um, bro. Literally. You're one of you look like Xbox addictions, or are you? You are it. You like to do this thing never gonna give you up. Literally. Bro. Literally. Y'all are literally on drugs for this. Uh, Um, um, but I'm gonna get out of here, guys. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And also, if you go and subscribe to this channel, cause you're gonna be lit with some other exposed videos. Come look on the channel for them. And also share this video with a friend so they can be lit too. Cause literally, we're always gonna be lit. But literally, I'm gonna get out of here. And as always, I'm gonna go I'm gonna go eat some waffle fries. And until next time, get roasted.